Hey, this is Adam Donnellan. I did this quick tutorial on sitting rainwater. Lying around, had some good light in the backyard, so I filled it up with the rainwater and watched it over a 45-day period. And as you will see, the results, 45 days is pretty dramatic for sitting water. So enjoy. Thank you.